In order to begin today's event, I would request the director of our institute, Dr. Harivansh Chaturvedi sir, to deliver the welcome address.
Respected Madam T.L. Alamelu ji, Mr. Saket Khetan, the other panel members and speakers addressing this colloquium, BIMTech Insurance Colloquium 2020, Dr. Bhavatos Misra, Mr. D.V.S. Ramesh, Ms. Farjana Chaudhary, Ms. Balti Prasad, Dr. S. Prakash, my faculty colleagues, Dr. Vijit Chattoraj, Professor and Chairperson of the PGDM IBM program, Professor K.K. Krishnan, Professor Manoj Pandey, Professor Priyadarshi, Professor Monica, other participants, alumni, dear students. It's a great honor for me to extend a warm welcome to dignitaries and all participants in this BIMTech Insurance Colloquium. We are doing it for last few years, and the chosen theme for today's colloquium is Insurance 4.0, Resilience in Risk Society. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. When we are discussing the theme of this colloquium, the whole world is passing through the global pandemic. And it has created a situation, unprecedented situation in the world. The national economies are in shambles, global trade is in shambles, governments and society, all of the human beings struggling with the challenges posed by global pandemic. We are witnessing something which we never experienced in all of our lives during the last 100 years. In this scenario, nothing is certain because the great uncertainty posed by COVID-19. Even insurers are struggling to fathom with this conundrum. The pandemic has affected the balance sheet and caused operational challenges to the insurance industry and other industries alike. The question before us, will insurance be able to help build the resilience in the overt risk society, is something the prominent speakers would debate and discuss today. This situation has also raised a big issue to economists, policymakers, and all those who are holding high positions in the government, that public health is a big issue for all nations in the world. Particularly in Asia, Latin America, there are many emerging economies, developing countries, where the pandemic has exposed the weaknesses of our public health system. We cannot estimate the total risk, total loss, or total damage caused by this pandemic, but definitely the global economy will have to take few years to reach to the level at which it was before the pandemic. I am very happy that today we are going to listen to important speeches. The keynote address is going to be delivered by Mrs. T.L. Alamelu, member, Non-Life Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. I am grateful to her for her concurrence to deliver the keynote address. I also welcome Mr. Saket Khetan, Senior Partner, Khetan Legal Associates, Member, Board of Governors, BIMTech, for agreeing to give the theme address today. Friends, it is a great honor to welcome Mr. Nasir A. Chaudhary, founding managing director and advisor of Green Delta Insurance Company Limited, Bangladesh, for having given his kind consent to accept the fourth BIMTech Lifetime Achievement Award. We highly appreciate his generous gesture. He is a living legend, and his contributions to the growth of insurance, not only in Bangladesh, but in whole Southeast Asia, has been well recognized. We are delighted to honor him with BIMTech Lifetime Achievement Award later in the day. By honoring him, we thus fulfill our award mission of going global. I take this opportunity to welcome all distinguished panelists of the day, Insurance Advisory Committee members, and well-wishers for lending their wholehearted support. I look forward to a very fruitful discussion on the theme of Insurance 4.0, resilience and risk society. Once again, hearty welcome to all of you.